Hey sisters! So today, as you can just see by the title, that's what we're doing. And if you know me, you know I don't know the first thing about makeup, so...
No! So as always, I always like to start with my foundation first. I'm going to grab my Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this one is in the shade of Natural Beige. And
Foundation and... Come on, shut up! Hold on. Okay. Foundation. Right, sisters, we have this, or this. Don't really know which one's my skin tone. I don't know if either of them is, but we love a tan sister.
I'm going to grab my beauty sponge and mix that together on the back of my hand. And then just plop it right on there.
Beauty sponge. I don't got none of those. Well, we don't have a sponge anywhere, but we got this. So, this is gonna be our beauty blender for the day.
And then with the excess foundation on the back of my hand, I'm just going to take an M4.
No, I haven't even started yet. Stop. Okay, we're just... Yes. Okay. Okay. This is working so good. We love it in clumps. This is not... Oh, this is like scratching my face. We love a blended sister. We're just gonna use our hands because that's our best bet, right? No, not my pajamas. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, new location. Okay. Might work. All right, sisters. Next step. Here
Next,
we
I'm
go.
just going to grab
Concealer.
part shape tape as always and apply this to the high points.
I'm just the makeup guru queen. Oh my god, he did like a whole bunch of. So
to cover up my under eye bags and also just to add some more dimension. Just because I really like how the attention goes right down to the center and just really makes everything look super pretty.
oh wow. Yeah, we have massive bags because we're tired and we just woke up and we just wanted to film this video. So I don't know if this is just because he has a mustache he does this, but me too, sister. Hey. Next, we're just gonna rub it in like. Whatever. Okay, I better look like James Charles after this.
For powder set, I'm actually going to use two different ones. The first one being the regular Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. This is one of my all-time favorites. And also the brand new Laura Mercier Glow Translucent Setting Powder. I haven't really tried this one out yet, but I
don't have any of those.
So, first impressions time. I'm going to dip my beauty blender into the regular powder and use this to set right underneath.
I do not have any of those powders because I don't use makeup, so we're not going to use the beauty blender. We're just going to use the brush it came with. What are we doing?
Just because I really need to set this in place. And also just right on top of the nose bridge as well. Right on the center of the forehead. Just to get those creases gone. To contour today, I'm just going to go
This brush sucks.
and just dip into this middle cool tone shade.
Hey, I'm not there yet.
I do.
I have no idea what. Okay. I have no idea what's going on. Okay. I hate makeup.
I normally tend to go a little bit harsh with the contour just because I really like the way my face looks when it's
Well, I don't
really
have
out.
that. I don't do glam makeup. We don't have contour, so eyeshadow is gonna work, or yeah. Okay, how do you contour?
Today I do actually want to go even a little bit harsher than normal, especially with the bronzer, because see a mermaid sun-kissed, kind of, type of look.
Okay.
And the next one.
Oh my god, okay. He didn't even tell me where to contour, but guess we'll figure it out. Yes, queen! Is she looking good or yeah? You gotta accentuate, oh god, I have a big vocabulary. That contour, that jawline, because I gotta get rid of this double chin. Oh, did we go too dark? No. I think we're good on that step.
Brush is just a beefy, big bronzer brush, and dip into this kind of more caramelly shade.
What are we doing?
To that one, and I'm going to use this to blend together my contour and normal skin tone. I'm going to save the blush and highlight.
We're skipping that step.
Because I'm not exactly sure what combination I'm going to be feeling when it comes to the eye look. So for right now, what I am going to do is, for once, not wait, because I definitely don't want to look any more powdery than I already do. I really want that dewy look. So I'm going to grab my MAC Fix Plus Gold Light. As you can see, this bottle has definitely had quite the usage. This is like one of my favorite makeup products literally in the entire world. It is just so pretty, and it is just like Fix Plus, but it does have this like glitter in it that just reflects so nicely on the skin. Gonna give myself a quick sister spritz.
All right, sisters, we are ready for that sister spritz. Uh-oh. And the makeup is kind of dripping. Oh no. Oh yeah, we need our sister's fan. Okay. Next step, sisters.
Coming soon. I'm gonna do my brows quickly using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the shade medium brown, favorite pencil of all time. And I am gonna do this a little bit more fluffy and wispy than normal. I definitely don't want them to be like normal James Charles Instagram brow. I want a little bit more of like a underwater wet moment. Does that make sense?
He does this so fast. I don't know how to color my brows. Okay, oh, these girls need plucking. It's just like coloring in the lines of a coloring book. I love a fleeky queen.
We'll see. Okay, sorry, I lied. I literally filled them in exactly like I normally do. But I'm then just going to grab the Anastasia Clear Gel after that. And I'm going to go right through and kind of brush those hairs.
Oh, I think my grandma has something like that. This thing, I think. Is
a little bit of that brow pencil to really make them a little bit more.
This is Anastasia.
And just to make them look spiky. That is such a good brow. Hello. I kind of like
it. Okay, whatever. We don't have cute brows.
Low-key, don't even want to conceal underneath my eyebrows. But I also feel like I need to. Okay, just going to really, really lightly go right underneath that brow. Not even really clean it up, just to literally cover over the foundation. I'm just going to put that concealer right down.
Okay. It's just like getting them waxed, but instead of paying money to get them waxed, you just cover them up with concealer because you're lazy and you're poor.
Onto the eyelid to prime for eyeshadow. So that is the face all done, and now we get to move on to my all-time favorite part always, which is going.
Advertisement, are you kidding me?
Now, buy online and pick up in store today. Ends Monday, only at Old Navy.
So I'm first going to start off with any floppy brush. This is the M513, and just dip into a neon bright green shade. And I'm going to pop this right in the inner corner right here. Just starting by tapping it in so it's super, super pigmented, and then I'm just going to lightly blend out those edges. To make sure those edges are blended out on an M433.
Okay, we don't have like cool eyeshadow palettes, but we have this one from like the dollar store from like 2002. This is literally not even like a color, but we're just gonna be a shimmery mermaid, so something like that. Whatever. Next step.
I'm just gonna dip into a bright yellow shade.
Okay. Oh, we don't have yellow. We do have yellow. Oh wait. Oh wait. He did a light green, but I have a dark green. We can just be like the older sister of mermaids. Okay. Whatever. Okay.
Teal shade and place that right next door.
Wait.
Focusing this color right
Where's
above.
what happened to the yellow
That's too
shade?
yellow. Just kidding. Going back into the green. On another
Okay, we didn't do
I'm
yellow.
gonna dip into a light next door.
We don't have
Focusing
light
this
teal,
color right above my
but we have dark teal.
With any excess, I'm just going to lightly blend this up. Going back into that green to make sure we didn't lose any of it. With the same exact brush on the teal,
Something like this.
I'm going to dip into more of that teal shade, and I'm going to use this this color to form that outer V. Starting off by just kind of stamping that shade on there, and then of course going in after to blend it out. In my outer corner,
Okay.
I'm just going to take a little bit more of a fluffy packing brush and dip into a darker blue. I'm going to place this right in the outer V. And I'm just putting that shade right up into the crease.
Okay. These are like the same shade, but you know what? We gave up 17 years ago on life, so. Just looks like I got beaten up in school because that's what's gonna be happening after this video.
Okay, sorry, hello, I am back. The camera just accidentally stopped recording. It has only been over a year since I filmed the tutorial, so sorry about that. Once the shadow is all blended out the way I
my
liked it, I'm
camera. Okay, we're good.
then cut my crease using a small concealer brush and some shave tape on the back of my hand. This is what I have so far. Right on top of the concealer, being super careful not to get it over the line. It's okay if the shade doesn't perfectly
We're supposed to conceal? I don't even care anymore.
liquid liner in a few short minutes just to line out the crease. And then with that same exact brush, I'm just going to dip into more of a metallic, like aqua shade, literally. Oops. I literally don't know how to do tutorials. And I'm just going to place that right over that.
Neither do I.
I'm going to use the yellow liner, and I'm going to follow that line and wing it out. Just like that. Oh my god, pretty.
Well, I don't have any liner, so. Look at that liner. You know what? I can't right now.
And then once that liner is dry, I'm just going to grab yet another tiny brush. This one is the Morphe E19, and just packing that right on top of the liner. I'm first going to pack on a gold pigment right on the inner corner. Then just placing on some chunkier glitter that I found at the craft store right in the center. Just going to grab that Urban Decay corner. So that is the upper eyelid all complete, and I'm actually really happy with how that turned out. Didn't really have too much confidence in myself.
I'm super happy with how it turned out too.
Not gonna lie, but kind of looking good and fresh. So I'm gonna finish off the eye now using the M433 and first dip into that same aqua shade from before and start placing this on the lower lash line, making sure to connect
What?
it from the outer V region.
Hold
And then grab the deep blue
Okay. When this was bad, but it got worse. I look like a blue raccoon.
shade on M506 and just tugging that right up into the outer corner and buffing it up.
Well, we don't have lashes, but we have mascara. We don't even have highlighter, but we're just gonna use this brush and use this shimmer stuff. He had like a yellowy color, but we don't have that, so we're just gonna use this green. Ooh, yes, queen, we are glowing for the gods. Yes. Oh, I don't know how to do my lipstick. Oh my god. Sister spritz. And then we're done. Taking this like broke eyeshadow and just smushing it on my face. And okay, that's the completed look, sisters. I'm ready to go out in the street. It's the completed look, sisters, and thanks for watching. Yeah, this video was a waste of your time, but thanks. Bye. No, but wait, seriously, how do I get this off my face?